Hey look, today I'm cooking with some coals here, and what I'll be making in my cast iron pot is a jambalaya. You're gonna love it. Hey, it's awesome. I'll try to talk to you while I'm doing it, yeah. I'm not wearing my apron right now because hell, it's 108 degrees in the shade. That's what it feels like anyway. But you know me, I got to keep the sweat out my eyes. Oh, damn, that's good. Anyway, cooking on coals. Watch me, babe. This thing here is gonna go down good. When you make it like me, you made the miracle. The miracle on the bayou. Hey, talk to you after a while. Aye, oh yeah, baby. Come on, baby, get that fire rolling. All right. Got my coals hot. Start getting my pot warm. Ready to cook. Put me about a 1/3 cup of cooking oil in there. And I'm using peanut oil today because that's what I love, my peanut oil. And today I'm going to use the local smoked sausage. Alright, now she's starting to cook up. Gotta fry this baby up. I've got 2 links of sausage, and they're not smoked, they're fresh. So what I'm going to do is separate these, take the meat out once this is done, and I'm going to fry this down. And I'll be frying it down using my blend, Pick Sweet blend. And of course I'll be using some chicken broth today. Alright, sausage is browned on one side. Now we're going to brown it on the other. Okay, I'm going to let this fry on this side, let this fry on the other side, just let it go. When it's fried enough, I'll take it out. And gotta have that grease hot. Alright, now I want to remove my smoked sausage. Just want to brown it enough, because that brown that you're seeing, I mean it's going to cook a whole lot more, but that also helps get the color into your jambalaya. Alright, now I'm removing the casing. Look at that. Now I'm going to put in my seasoning blend. Lots of onions and bell pepper, green and red, parsley, celery. Oh, that's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. Okay, I'm going to cover this up, let it cook down. We'll be back shortly. I'm out of brewskis. Gotta go get me a brewski, baby. Got some sweat in my eyes. Aye, oh yeah, baby. Alright, let's see what's going on in the pot, baby. Alright, this is cooking good. The veggies are melting down real good. Now, right now, got a couple of things I want to put in there, a couple of spices. One of them is a little garlic powder. I love my garlic powder. I guess maybe a quarter of a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, depending on you, what you want. Check this out. Best Stop spices. Cajun seasoning, baby. This stuff's hot. But I'm looking for a little heat. So I'm going to put maybe half a teaspoon in there. I was going to add salt. I don't have to add salt because my other ingredients has a lot of salt in it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken broth to that. And let it cook, baby. Let it cook for 45 minutes once it comes to a boil. Put my sausage in there, cover it up, and let it do its thing. All right, let's see what we got here, baby. Okay, this has been cooking 45 minutes. I'm going to let it go about 10 minutes more. And I'm going to start adding some rice to it. Look at that. Man, I tell you what, you just cannot believe it. I make my jambalaya a little bit different than everybody else. I like to put my rice in there, you know, after the gravy is cooked. Then I add the rice, because a lot of people make the rice in it, but sometimes it's too dry. I don't like my jambalaya dry. Holy moly, holy moly, holy moly. Boy, I tell you what, this is awesome. If you could taste this gravy right here. Man. I'm going to leave the fire on right now. Get this rice in there, get it stirred up. It's like I said, you put this jambalaya to the consistency you want it. Alright, I'm going to let it do its thing. I got to go fry up some sweet potatoes and some sausage. And I'm going to garnish the top of it with sweet potato fries. Yeah, baby. Hey, look, this Chef Bourque. I'm going to talk with you later. Hey, it's going to be fun time at the house. The people sitting around my table is going to really enjoy this stuff. Anyway, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Glad I was able to entertain you. Hot dang. Don't forget to subscribe and you got your thumbs up. Oh, yes.